Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Start by turning off your Conga 990 and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment, which is usually found at the bottom of the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the cover removed, you will see the battery. Take a moment to inspect the battery for any signs of corrosion or damage. Now, carefully disconnect the old battery. You can use the tweezers to help pull out the connectors if they are tight. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you identify any issues with your device. After removing the old battery, it's a good idea to clean the battery compartment. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure a good connection for the new battery. If you need assistance with cleaning or any other repairs, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Next, take your new battery and connect it to the device. Make sure the connectors are aligned properly and press down firmly to secure the connection. If you're unsure about the battery type or specifications, feel free to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you get the right part for your Conga 990. Once the new battery is connected, replace the battery cover. Align it properly and press down until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. Finally, plug your Conga 9090 back into the power source and turn it on. Check to see if the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer no calls, no travel service, allowing you to get help without the hassle of going out. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery in your Conga 990. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.